Sup y'all, Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to this vlog here, alright? Well, I must say, we dodged a bullet from Tropical Storm Claudette, supposed to be a cyclone or whatever, you know, but it wound up strengthening to a tropical storm, you know. It wasn't quite organized, you know, so actually we dodged a bullet with Crystal Ball, okay? Just like a couple of years ago with Crystal Ball, okay? And I was very glad about that, you know, that we ain't had to go nowhere, you know, okay? So this is a brand new holiday, national holiday, Juneteenth, okay? Yep, wishing everybody a happy Juneteenth, okay? Yep. And I think that that's a great idea. If I thought it was a terrible idea, I wouldn't make this video, okay? We dodged a bullet with Tropical Storm Claudette, okay? Yes, we did, okay? And I'm very happy about that, you know? At least we ain't have to go nowhere. We don't have to leave this house. At least Brock don't have to leave this house. Y'all know who Brock is if y'all watch my previous videos, you know? All right. So anyway, excuse me, all right? So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, in a couple of months, I'm going to take a trip to New Iberia, okay? The other day was Eastland's birthday, okay? So happy 11th birthday to Eastland, Shamika's daughter, okay? 11 years old, okay? How time flies, okay? And a couple of months ago, it was Brooklyn's birthday, so y'all might have seen those two on my show when it was playing at the playground or whatever, you know. Yep, we definitely dodged a bullet. Yep. So there's a birthday party going on over there. I might go, okay, Shamika. I'm definitely come if I'm not busy or whatever, you know. What all I gotta do? Do this, do that, and stuff like that, you know. All right, and by the way, I sure would love to invite Erica over here. So y'all don't know who Erica is. Well, I wish I could invite her over here. So, and pretty soon it's a possibility I'm gonna see Tanya, but that don't mean she gonna appear on my show again. She haven't been on my show since 2012, since I was living in New Iberia, you know. Yep. So, unfortunately, they dodged a bullet, you know. Yeah, we all love to dodge a bullet, you know. Make sure everybody is safe and sound, you know. Especially my little niece. She's 9 now. She gonna be 10 in a few months. Okay. Yes, indeed. Okay. Happy Juneteenth, everybody. You know. So you know what? I want to let y'all know something. I wish one day that I could that my niece could lose a tooth while she over here. You know, I'll try to catch that on camera one day. You know. So if some of y'all know who Braylon is, okay. So let's hope that she get to come over here. You know, I would love for that to happen. You know. All right, that probably ain't gonna happen on my show. Probably until she 11 years old or whatever. Probably until she 10. I don't know. Okay.